Good morning. My name's Hector Glynn. I'm the CEO and president of the Village for Family and Children. I want to thank you for coming and welcome you to 331 Wethersfield Avenue. This building is known as Village South. It's located here in the south end of Hartford. And we're here today to really tout an amazing partnership between Hartford Healthcare and OnMed. In our ability to really think about how we service the community in new, innovative, and different ways. We know that this community needs support from great corporate partners like Hartford Healthcare, and they really have stepped up. We know that there's not enough primary care, there's not enough urgent care in Hartford, and today we are opening up an OnMed station that will provide connection to people who live in this community who haven't had the opportunities in the past. The issues of mental health, which is what our expertise are, really have been sort of staggering in the country. And 6 months ago, we opened an urgent care center in Hartford to deal specifically just with mental health issues. It's located on the North End campus, and anyone who is suffering from a mental health crisis, any young person, is welcome to come in and get assessed instead of being in an emergency room. This does similar things. You no longer need to go to Hartford Hospital's emergency room to get assessed and get care. And we're so excited about it. And so today is the first day of our campaign to inform the community, to let them know that we're here, and let them know that this can make a difference in accessing care in a new and different way. So I would like to welcome Karen to come up and sort of move our program along. So Karen.
Thank you so much, Hector. What an amazing day for the state of Connecticut and for Hartford Healthcare and the Villages and OnMed. We are so grateful to be here and really opening for the city of Hartford the first ever OnMed station. We know that healthcare is very difficult to access. We have challenges recruiting to providers to certain areas. And we take what we learned in different areas, such as East Region, where OnMed has been open for 2 months. And we are seeing multiple patients per day, patients who normally would have had to travel multiple miles, multiple different towns over, and really delay access to care. What we've created is affordable care, innovative ways to inspire communities to come together, and we're just so grateful. We do want to highlight just the partnership importance of this. None of this would be possible without our great partners. Let's just start with the Village of Children and Families. Hector, your team, so grateful with Victor De La Paz and Tammy Freeberg, just really willing to let us trial this and see what could become for our communities. We would be remiss if we did not thank both Howard Grooverman as well as Anna Younger. Just so grateful, our OnMed team, and their willingness to try new innovative ways in different areas. But also want to highlight the ambulatory team at Hartford Healthcare. These individuals get up every single day and look for new ways to find innovation that will bring more accessible, affordable care, and we're certainly doing that today. Thank you so much, Deb Hayes, Jason Labs, Christine Snydak, as well as Jennifer Butler. So grateful to everyone. Now it's my honor and privilege to introduce Hartford Healthcare's CEO and President, Jeffrey Flax.
Good morning. This is a great day for Hartford. It's an important day for Hartford. I want to first recognize our partners at the Village. Hector, I'm so impressed, and we value this partnership immensely. When you look at what the Village has done to further urgent care and access around behavioral health, the work they're doing around primary care, the work they do every day to support our community. I mean, just across the hall, they're presently doing income tax support for our community and our neighbors. It is so impactful, and the Village is progressive, constantly looking for new ways to solve our challenges within our communities and make things better for everybody. So Hector, we're enormously grateful. Thank you for everything you do. We talked about so many times during COVID that in healthcare, we can't go back to normal. We have to be better than normal. What you see today is exactly what we learned during COVID and how we are better than normal today, how we're getting better every day. We learned a lot. We saw different people. We saw different communities who were being left behind. We saw the disparities in healthcare. We saw the inequities in healthcare. And we recognized that we need new solutions to reach more people where they are and do it through alliances and partnerships. This is exactly what we need to do. So when we think about ways to bring primary care, ways to bring urgent care, ways to extend hours, whether to do it with cultural sensitivities, ways to do it where people live, where they work, where they go to school, directly across the street with Buckley High School, there's so many opportunities to reach into our communities and bring care to people and to do it in the most supportive manner. So we're so excited about these new solutions. I want to recognize OnMed. OnMed is a national example, working across communities across America to both address issues around rural health and around urban health in places where there's limitations around access, so that we could take advantage of these new capabilities and bring providers right into the community and do it through extended hours. And this is exactly how we make a difference. We're excited at Hartford Healthcare about this partnership with OnMed. This is our second location, right? The first one is in a Stop and Shop in Killingly, and here the second one in the Village here in Hartford in the South End. You know, we're excited to keep building on this partnership, and I just want to underscore the importance around access, right? Our focus has to be to figure out more ways to make healthcare more accessible, to make it more affordable, to make it better, and to make it equitable. And to do that, we have to find new solutions. So these innovations are how we get better every day. And I'm excited about this effort and very, very grateful for what we're doing with the Village. This is going to help so many people. It's going to make a difference in people's lives. And we're going to continue to invest in this community. Thank you so much.
We'd now like to ask Howard Grooverman from OnMed to come up and say some words.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity to be here today. Back in the opening at Killingly, Connecticut, Jeff had talked about the need for innovation. And there's a lot of people that talk around the country about innovation, but don't truly partake in the things that need to be done. First of all, OnMed's mission is to provide access to everyone, everywhere, anytime. And this is an example of what we're doing. But it's not able to be successful without partnerships. We talked about partnerships, Karen and Jeff and Hector. Everywhere we go around the country, there has to be like-minded people that want to make a difference, that want to take a chance on innovation. This is innovation, technology, and traditional medicine all in one. We are excited about being here at the Villages. This is an incredible opportunity to partner with somebody who's making a difference in behavioral health. Behavioral health is something that we see as very large on everybody else's list across the country without exception. But we have to give access, and it has to be affordable. And thanks to the partnership with Hartford Healthcare and their leadership, and let me tell you, I've been around the country. I've met with hundreds of people over the last few years and my 35-year career in healthcare. They don't think like Hartford Healthcare in a big organization like that. They're nimble, they're incredibly good at marketing, they're incredibly good at giving great care, but the leadership has a passion for making a difference. And in order to be successful, we have to have like-minded people, not only in the organizations that we discussed, but out in the community. The principals, the pastors, the coaches, the synagogues, the other organizations have to partake and really make this successful. So I just wanted to thank you again for this incredible opportunity to partner with great people. Your teams that we've worked with are been since the start have been incredible, and we look forward to growing this. Thanks. Have a good day.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. My name is Tammy Freeberg, and I am the Vice President for Strategy and Planning here at the Village for Families and Children. I was an initial point of contact with Hartford Healthcare as they were looking for a site for one of the OnMed stations that they were hoping to bring to Connecticut to increase access to care. And I have been participating in the planning to bring it to this site, and we're so excited that today is the day that we get to cut the ribbon and open it to the community. I think for the clients of the Village, the people who are receiving behavioral health care services here at the Village, it gives them a little bit of a one-stop shop. It gives them an opportunity to tend to some physical health issues that they might be experiencing while they're here accessing behavioral health care. I think that for the community in general, it provides a point of access that provides maybe non-traditional walk-in access that may prevent a need to go to the emergency room. There's not a huge supply of urgent care access in the immediate vicinity, so this really is a new point of convenience care for individuals. They might have a rash, they might have had a persistent stomach ache, they might have a sore throat that just won't go away, and this gives them an opportunity to get that issue addressed here and work in concert with our Genoa pharmacy that is on site. So if someone who visits the station actually needs a prescription, they can also get it right here at this location. So I think the one-stop access to care is a huge advantage for the community. And I think for the Village, it really expands the reach, the people who know us as a community resource. We can be now more to the community than we were before. Please visit our website at www.thevillage.org. There is information about the OnMed station there and also on Hartford Healthcare's website. If you visit there, you can see a video that walks you through the process, but we invite you to come by, step in, and try it out for yourself.